We'll work up to the Mozart piece. So grab this book, pause the video if you need to, grab your book with Musette in D. And the goal for this week on this song was 2 lines hands together and the 3rd line hands separate. So what we'll do in this video, I'm going to go through the first 3 lines with the right hand, then the left hand, then we'll go back and I'll kind of talk through putting them hands together so you can see that process. So quick reminder, your key signature is F sharp and C sharp, and we're in the key of course, D major. That's our title. So here is right hand. I'll play it quite slow. 1, 2, 1, 2. Actually, that's too fast. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I'll play the same thing with the right hand, but a little bit of a quicker tempo. Here you go. 1, 2, 1, 2. A C sharp there at the end. Okay, and here is the first, here actually maybe I should put the camera higher. I'll do the first 3 lines with the left hand too, so you can hear those. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Okay, you can see the piano better now. Okay, so here is the first 2 lines with the left hand now. It's quite simple. We're starting off with some D octaves. 1, 2, here we go. Line 3 changes from the A octaves to the E octaves. So now let me play full speed the first 2 lines hands together just so you can get an idea of it in your head, and then we'll go slow. Now I'll go quite slow through that part. So here's hands together, but we're going slower. Here we go. Okay, now just for giggles, I'm going to play line 3 hands together so you can hear what that sounds like. And then that is on this song. Your mission over the week is to get line 3 hands together. So here it is, slow motion. Okay, and since we're going through here, let's look at the last 2 lines, hands separate now. Now, you don't have to have all of this for next week, but I figured since I'm doing a video for you on this song, I might as well give you all the information, and then you can refer back to this video as you progress and practice with it, okay? So here is line 4 and 5 in the right hand to the end. Sorry, so line 4, measure 13, here we go. I suppose I should have done that slower. You can slow down the YouTube video. Settings right here in this corner, click on playback speed, click on custom, slide it down to like 0.85 and try it with that. Okay, here's left hand line 4 and 5. Guess what line 4 is? E, 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 Now, let me play slow motion for you, those last two lines, with both hands. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry, here's the last line. And then it repeats to the beginning. And you know that part. So, I'm going to play the whole song for you now so you can hear it. I'll play it a bit under tempo. If you want to slow down or speed up the video, you know how. You can always refer back to this video once you have the whole song. Play along with me playing that. And like I said, you can speed it up, slow it down, however you want. That was not full tempo, so once you're close to having full tempo of this, we will be playing faster than I did. So let's look at Sonata in C major, or K545 as we enjoy calling it. Plug this in. Okay, so in this song, we were doing 12 measures hands together was the goal. So I'll do the same thing. 12 measures with the right hand, 12 measures with the left hand, and then we'll go back and look at it. So we'll start with the right hand from the beginning. I'll go quite slow. Here we go. And pause the video if you need to before you're ready. Restart that song because I made a mistake and I don't want you to pause. So ignore the last 30 seconds of this video, but I don't want to restart the video. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 12 measures. Okay, so we'll go left hand now. Remember, we're starting in the treble clef for left hand. Here we go, nice and slow. all those blank spaces and counting and waiting until there are notes. That is how you should practice all the time with both hands, but especially in left hand because you have some rests. So like at measure 5, for example, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So it's really important to count your rests so you know when those are actually coming in. It also helps because then you're learning it right the first way and then you don't have to unlearn it once you go hands together. So now, this is how I'm going to show you how I would practice this if I were just learning a song. And hopefully you will see how it's a beneficial way to practice. So if it was me and I was brand new to this song, I would literally go like this. Great, nailed it, got the first notes. Okay, now. Okay. Now. Now. And now. And now. So that took maybe 20 seconds, and now I know for a fact I'm playing measure 1 exactly right. Because I just took those 20 seconds and I went slow. And you might think to yourself, 20 seconds is not a long time, and you're right. So if you spend 20 seconds here, 20 seconds here, 20 seconds here, you could have the whole first line exactly perfect in 1 minute. You just got to do the work on the forefront. So I say that to you because I know you are hard on yourself and I know you're a perfectionist and you expect it to be like perfect right away. But let me tell you, it's never perfect right away. And that's not just you, that's anyone. So that's why we just go nice and slow with this. So here is, I'll play those first 4 measures, or 12 measures, but I'm going to go like seriously slow motion because it does come pretty quick. So here we go. Let me talk about this part before we do it. So I'm on measure 11 now. So these are 16th notes in the left hand and 8th notes in the right hand. So that means that each 2 notes the left hand plays, right hand will be playing 1 note at the same time. So it's... To review, the right hand we have B, G, E, C, D, G, E, C, D, G major chord, G. And the left hand it's G, B, D, G, G, C, E, G, G, B, D, G, G, C, E, G, 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 G. So in other words, in the left hand it's a G chord, C chord, G chord, C chord, G, G, G. So this part, let's try this measure one more time. Okay, so hopefully that made sense. Let's also look at measure 10 because this part's a little funky. Actually, maybe we'll go back to measure 9 and 10. So just with the right hand, left hand, take a break. Let's go for measure 9. Oh yeah, F natural, okay. And then we're to the easy part. So let's just review 9 and 10 again because they're very, very tricky. Let's just play through those a couple times. Here we go, measure 9. left hand is quite easy. It's just an F and an A holding. So let's look at measure 9 with both hands now. Okay, now measure 10, we have a little bit of funky timing here. So left hand we have 1, so on F we have finger 3, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and on the F sharp. So it lines up with the right hand. We have the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes all by themselves, just with the F holding in the left hand. So we have, oh, is someone knocking at my door? Oh, nope, there's construction happening. Okay. So that's all with the F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When your right hand crosses finger 3 on the F, that's when left hand plays G. And just on those two notes, now right hand goes to F and left hand's on A. And then for the last two notes, you have the F sharp in the left hand with D and C in the right. So let me play that slightly less slow motion. This is measure 10. That's too fast. Okay, let's do it one more time. Going on to the next measure. Yep. So now let's play measure 9, 10, 11, 12, but we're going to go quite slow because this is the newer part. Here we go. Oh, sorry. And once more for good luck, just those same 9, 10, 11, 12 measures. And now once more, just for good luck, I will play those first 12 measures again, and we'll still go pretty slow motion on this. Here we go. I just realized that's going to be way too fast. We'll go slower.